Welcome to My Chefin'. My name's Chef Fran, and this is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
Today we're making a taco salad. Who doesn't love taco? Tacos from either an authentic Mexican restaurant or even Taco Bell. But a lot of people love tacos, and sometimes it's just a quick fix meal for a family at home. But how about making it a little bit healthier and incorporating your greens of romaine lettuce? And we have our yellow rice that's been made already, and our ground beef and our black beans to really kind of get more authentic. And we have our vegetables, our bell peppers and our carrots and our corn and our fiesta cheese and our avocado. Now we have our vitamin contents. Here is romaine. Romaine has vitamin A, K, calcium, and it's a good source of folate. We have our ground beef, and our ground beef has vitamin B6, B12, zinc, iron, and selenium. And then we have our wonderful bell peppers. In this case, we have red and yellow. And it has vitamin A, C, and B2. And we have our black beans, which has vitamins A, calcium, folate, magnesium, iron, and potassium. And it's a good source of protein as well. And we have rice. You can use whichever rice you have at home. In this case, I'm using yellow. But if you have brown, if that's what you eat, or white, whichever rice you prefer, you can substitute and use a different kind of rice. And rice has vitamin B and folate. And then we have cheese. Cheese has vitamin D and calcium. And then we have corn, which has niacin in it. And we have avocados. And our avocados has vitamin C, E, and B6, and it's your healthy fat. And we have our carrots, which has beta carotene in it, which are great for your eyes, and which is your vitamin A. And we have, last but not least, our salsa. Salsa has vitamin C, and it hydrates and stabilizes your blood. We've already cut our avocado, which is on a cutting board, and now we're going to assemble our salad. So we start with our meat. And again, that's why I was saying your hands are your best tools.
Yes. What's next?
Okay, so next we're going to put our beans.
There you go, Mama.
All right. What we try to do is kind of get some colors going on. A little bit of black beans. Well, just at least cover your line.
What would you like next, Mama?
I would like some salsa.
Salsa? Sure, why not? Here you go, Mama.
Okay, get some salsa here.
And now with this beautiful taco salad, we have this, our water with infused frozen berries and...
Well, your berries are strawberries,
And yes, they are.
which contains vitamin K, magnesium, C. It helps reduce high blood pressure to normal levels and decrease stress. In 1 cup of your strawberries, you have 100% of your daily recommended value. Then you also have blueberries. Blueberries has vitamin A, C, K, manganese, and potassium, and it's a great source of fiber.
Yes, it is.
Well, E, I am gonna plate this up for you.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna give you any rice
Yes, thank you.
because you cannot eat rice. Can you please tell your family out there why you can't eat rice?
Well, I have a disease called achalasia, which is your esophagus. And If I was to eat rice, they would get into my intestines and blow up, my esophagus. And it would clog it and blow up. And then I wouldn't be here anymore.
Well, we all love Big Baby. We want Big Baby here. So, we could still make this delicious salad without giving him rice, which I did. I went from the other side.
Thank you very much,
but
Mama.
I don't have that, so I'm going to have all the salad.
All the rice you want.
I'm going to have the rice part. I'm going to have all of it. See, I got rice. I got some beans. I got it all, E.
Yes, you do.
I just got to get a little corn in my avocado. I love avocado. So, and of course, what would life be for me without bacon?
Here goes the bacon.
I've got to have my bacon. So this is optional. If you're not a bacon lover like me, you don't have to have bacon on your stuff. But I do, so I have bacon.
Enjoy your bacon.
So, eat.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Let's see here where we're going to start. Okay.
Black bean and stuff. And some cheese and some... That rice is seasoned just right. So is that beef.
I did a good job with the rice, Mama.
You did a great job with the rice. For someone who doesn't eat rice.
Right.
You absolutely did. The avocado is so creamy. Don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. Hit the subscribe button so you can have video every time, get notification every time a new video comes out. And comments. We want to hear from you in the comment section. We want to speak to you. We want to engage with you. So tell us if you're going to make this salad, what salad you did make, if you added everything that I did, if you omitted some things. We'd just love to hear from you.
Be part of our family.
Be part of the Ma Chefin' family. And
loving every bite.
Like Ian said, loving every bite. Thank you so much for joining us. We love you. Take care.
Bye-bye now.